Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on the DRIFTVETTE. I'm on my way to Harrison's house right now. Got the Vette loaded up, on the way. Alright, so I got the car off the trailer. It's in the shop. I messed around with the seats some. I tried to install the NRG seats, but I need to do some cutting and welding, so I don't have time for that. But coilovers.
Probably good.
So we are going to be putting none other than some BC Racing Coilovers. Super excited to be working with BC Racing this year.
Heck yeah, BC gang.
And honored to be a part of the team. But yeah, let's get these installed.
Get a box filler out.
All right. Aw, yeah. Already looking pretty. Look at this packaging.
Heck yeah, good looking box. Got the custom build. Cody hooked it up.
Let's check this out. Custom build.
The DR series. Bam. I love seeing like freshly nice clean coilovers, dude. They're never gonna be this clean ever again.
Got ceramic cut them.
Yeah, right?
Got some stickers.
Heck yeah. Got some more stickers right here.
Oh yeah.
Hey, if you don't use all these stickers, I might want a couple. Nice, you got some koozies.
Oh hell yeah. I wonder if it says
cool
what
koozies.
spring rates.
Dude, he got you a shirt as well. How's it feel, Danny? You're part of the team now,
I'm
dude.
Super excited.
Part of the BC Racing team. And it's Red or Dead. All the Red or Dead cars have BCs on them. Fun fact. Dude, they're so nice and clean. Look how clean they are.
Pretty.
They're never going to be like this ever again.
Alright, so from what I hear, it's pretty simple to do coilovers on the Vette. Vettes are engineered in a pretty interesting way. But so rather than having coils over the springs, they have a leaf spring. And so there's like 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. And I think once you take the control arm off, then you can just kind of finagle that thing out, and then we should be set. So it's pretty straightforward. You have to take the lower control arm out. It's an 18 on the far back side, a 15 on here, and then a 21 on the front part of the lower control arm. And then so once you get those off, it's a 24 millimeter here, and then just kind of you'll have to wedge it out. And then also under here, you have to take off the leaf spring brackets, which I believe is like a 14 or something, or 13. And then once you do that, you can just drop it out. It's basically sitting on the lower control arm right here. So it's pretty simple. So once you drop the lower control arm, you don't even really have to drop the other side, it just makes it easier. But once that's dropped, you can kind of just finagle it out of that, where that bracket is. Alright, so we got the rear done. It's all set up. wheels on and everything. It's at a pretty good ride height so far. I'm curious to see how low it's going to be once it compresses. But we're going to call it a night and finish it tomorrow. All right, so we're back at the shop. Last night we finished up the rear coilovers, and today we're doing the fronts. Should be pretty simple. I think it's like almost the same as the rear, so. All right, I got this side off. The lower control arm is 21 millimeter on both sides, and then 18 millimeter to take off the end link. That just helps so when you can drop it. We got the front leaf spring off. Basically it's 21 millimeter on this part of the lower control arm, and then you have to undo the two bolts on the bottom of the coilover, and then once you do that, it'll sag all the way down, and then you can remove the leaf spring, just kind of finagle it out. But yeah,
Finagle.
undo the top two bolts, and then we should be able to get the coilovers out, the old ones.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. All right, so the coilovers on the Vette are done, completed. Sitting pretty good, at a pretty good height, but about to go get it aligned. Huge thank you to Harrison for helping me get this done, and huge thank you to BC Racing for sending these out. Super excited to be working with them and super honored to be a part of the team.